So here in New Jersey, it could be 40 degrees one day and then 90 the next. It's
I'm gonna microwave some rice and the outlet popped like 4 times. The roof on the building is a blacktop roof. So basically the entire shop is an oven.
Maybe we'll put air conditioning out in the shop. It wasn't so damn expensive.
I'm literally just holding the gas.
It's shuttering. We found it.
I think we finally found the shutter. Oh,
So
yeah.
this is the car that has, yeah, a bunch of suspension issues. So we're gonna take it for a little drive. It's kind of running rough, I think, right? Or sorta.
Oh. You hear that?
Yep, heard
Sounds
that.
like the whole, sounds like.
Yeah, you can hear it in the reflections of the houses
Ooh,
and
yeah,
stuff.
did you hear that nice bump? Oh, right. 240,000 miles on it though,
Yeah.
and the motor runs phenomenal. That's how many miles to the gallon it gets, 84.9. That's the average, it's amazing. So should we just change the coil and the igniter on this thing next?
That's the coil. I would, when I change the coil on those, I always change the igniter too.
Yeah, you know. I think we should do a coil and igniter, man, so we'll see how it responds. It's only charging at
So
12 volts.
this is the car with all that bucking that we were just driving. It's an 2000 Honda Accord with a 2.3 VTEC in it. And so basically with plugging the scanner into it, it's throwing a P1381 code, which is a cylinder position sensor noise. So basically the knock sensor is picking up that the motor's running kind of rough. What it turns out to be is the alternator. So the alternator is actually shot. And barely charged. It's only charged at about 12 volts. And so we're gonna get a new alternator in this car and take it for a drive and see how it goes. Fuel pump on this Dodge. Unfortunately, when it was towed in backwards, and it's too heavy for us to push it into the shop. So gotta do it outside. Getting everything ready. Gonna drop the tank. Not very fun. Well, finally got it out. It's a bit of a nightmare, but ay. Now we gotta take the ring off, and that's gonna be fun.
It's all rotted.
Out with the old, in with the new. Pop this baby back in, and we're good to go.
This off a little bit.
It's pretty
all rotted.
It's not actually break, is it, you think?
No, it won't break, but I'll clean it the best I can. And, well, it sits on top of here. The seal's underneath it, so it should be fine, you know.
Alright, so the new fuel pump is installed in the tank, and now we're just reinstalling the tank back into the truck. And this is always the fun part. It's a little bit easier when we do it on the lift. So now let the aggravation begin.
Some more room, you know.
I wouldn't break off anything.
Talking about that right there.
Oh, the little plastic clip, yeah.
This thing. I'll take it slowly. This bracket. This is tough. Go ahead.
Okay, keep going slow.
Yep.
Alright, I see the tubes on the top here, so they look like they're fine.
Lower it a little. All right.
See what
Go
we
ahead,
do for
pump.
customers?
Pump. Push forward a little. Right there. Hold it.
All right, look, yeah, it's almost lined up now. All right, we're getting there.
I get it.
It's all about the mileage, you know what I mean? I think it does. I think it's got like almost 200,000 on it. The pump just died on them.
These jobs are always fun.
What I need you to do.
Alrighty, new fuel pump installed, and it's running. Oh.
I forgot to tell you.
Now we can go test drive it, move it around. EGR solenoid valve actuator stem inputter device. Just kidding. EGR valve solenoid.
This right here is the EGR secondary pump solenoid. This controls this, which is the diverter valve, which in turn controls the secondary air pump, which is down on the bottom. Now we know the air pump is good because we back probed this to the positive, a purple wire to the ground on the battery. By back probing it, we're able to turn the secondary air pump on. So we know the pump is good. We actually were bypassing this valve when we did that, which ran through this down to the pump. So we know that this is good and the pump is good, this is bad.
When you're so busy and you order a ton of parts, multiple part cars are coming. Parts for days. We're doing an alternator on a 2004 Honda Elantra 2.0. Sometimes all data cracks this up. We're thinking that it comes out through the bottom, but we wanted to just double check. So we go on all data to look and walk you through the steps. And the last one, or step 4, is like you pull out through the bolt C and then remove the generator. Installation is reverse of removal. Okay, so why don't you tell us it comes out through the bottom? We pay you a monthly thing, and sometimes it doesn't give you the full direction, but looks like we'll be able to get it out. If not, then obviously the only other way is through the top.
Make life a whole lot easier.
New alternator's in. About to just tighten all the bolts, give her a start, and should be on her way. She's all good, running. What's next? We have such badass customers. This lady gave this picture to us. It's a puzzle that she did in '92. Her husband had it in the house. He passed away. She doesn't want it anymore, so she gave it to us. She glued together. We're gonna hang it outside the shop. It's pretty awesome.